Parliament also raising concerns. The Chief Minister, who has been saying that in the wake of these landslide and other rain-related disasters in Wayanad district, even when it comes to a control room that has opened, and those who are in need of emergency assistance can also contact the said authorities. The two helpline numbers there on your screens that are currently being flashed. Let me go across to Jayalakshmi now. Jayalakshmi, a quick update, please, on the rescue operations. Unable to hear you there, Jayalakshmi. We'll fix your mic. But right now, as far as the information that is now suggested, more than 200 members of the rescue teams that have been now deployed at this spot. However, there are locals that are reporting that many people could be still feared trapped, and rescue operations that are being hindered. They are being hampered because of heavy rainfall, and many of those trees as well that have been uprooted because of these two major landslides. Yes, Jayalakshmi, an update, please.
Yes, definitely rescue operations are underway. As of now, the official numbers are 11, but we also getting the information that, more bodies are being recovered. And as of now, the district administration has said, the Kalpata district administration has said that 19 people have died, but officially the numbers are yet to be released. And in fact, we have more than 250 people, 250 rescue team in place. And in fact, all the ministers are also in this district. In fact, leader of opposition is also on the way. So state government ministers are also on the way. All the ministers are definitely reaching the place. Chief Minister has ensured that the rescue operations are underway. And in fact, the major hope for the Wayanad district is right now the airlifting process that will be happening by the Indian Air Force. And in fact, because it's a hilly area and because the land rescue is kind of a difficult situation because of this erosion and destruction in the roads, and because of heavy rains that is continuously happening. And in fact, it is also raining now in Wayanad. Definitely airlift is one of the major hopes by the people, and in fact NDRF and other fire force and other teams are doing the rescue operation continuously. But definitely it's a very tragic incident, and the numbers are being deferred every minute by minute. The people are being recovered, as well as we are even though they are being rescued, we are also getting to know the increase in number of dead bodies that are being recovered constantly. But definitely the state government has ensured all kinds of rescue operation in place, and high alert has been in fact issued. Red alert has especially been issued in the northern regions of Kerala. Wayanad, Kozhikode district has been issued red alert. And in fact, because of the destruction in the roadways, the bus services from Kozhikode has also been temporarily stopped by the KSRTC. So all these difficulties is definitely a challenging situation right there out there for the rescue operation teams, but definitely trying their level best to take care of the situation.
Right, but Jayalakshmi, just take us through as far as how many teams that have been now deployed, including that of the Kerala State Disaster Management, and also when it comes to NDRF, there are also teams from the Fire Brigade that have also been deployed. Just take us through the challenges that they also have been facing.
Yes, definitely over 250 people have been deployed right now, including the NDRF, the civil the rescue team, and in fact the state government fire force team. All these teams, including over 250 people, have been deployed. And as I was saying, the landscape of Wayanad is definitely a very much challenging, puts the rescue operation teams in a challenging position because of the hilly terrain and because of continuous intensifying rain all over the district. The NDRF team and the other rescue operation team are unable to reach the exact spot, but definitely are they trying their level best to rescue people as fast as they could. And in fact, we also know for a fact that the airlifting is also about to begin any time now.